In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about our new email marketing opt-in form. As you can see, you still have your My Campaigns, your campaign templates, and now the opt-in form. You can change your submit color button like you can on our leads page or our booking landing form. You can also put an introduction welcome message. I'm just going to say, welcome to my newsletter. Please sign up below. When you are done with this welcome message, you simply click outside of the box and it will auto save for you. If you look below, you'll also see we have the HTML code. You can copy that HTML code and embed it directly onto your website. If you'd like to see what your form will look like, we have the form preview below. On here, you can see my welcome message, and your clients will have to put their first, last name, emails, and they can click to sign up for that newsletter. Now, when they fill that out, it goes over to clients. You will find a new marketing contacts form on the top of your page. You can see these are clients that filled out my marketing form. Now, when I want to make them a client, I can hit make client. The information auto-populates, enroll them back in email marketing, and it moves over to my active clients. You can also make the client a lead. If you hit lead, it also moves that client over to the active tab.